Hello and what is going on, guys? It's Timothy here back with another video. So into this video, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to add a delay in Python. So let me just create a new file right in here and then save it as dly. So this means delay. So dly.py. So next, what we're gonna do is to import time. So import time. And then next what we need to do is do time.sleep. So time.sleep right in there. So for example, this counts seconds. So if you do 1000 and 100 like that, it just counts 100 seconds. So you click 1 is just 1 second, and if you click 60, it's 1 second. So I mean 1 minute. So for example, 5 seconds right in there. So inside right here, print. I'm not good at it. Okay, so hello world. So right in there, it will load this thing, but it will print Python after 5 seconds. So let me just see if that would work. I'll just go into the documents folder right over here. Tutorial. Open PowerShell window. Okay, right in there. Let me just minimize this thing. Oh, sorry. So right in here, if you type Python dly.py, as you can see, it will wait 5 seconds to print hello world. As you can see, it's now done. After 5 seconds, it's now done. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up, hit the second to subscribe, and don't forget to see you guys next time. Goodbye.